Welcome to lesson number 8 of 20-minute Setswana.
Re buile gape bagaetsho.
We are back with another episode and we are ready to teach you some Setswana. So, Mpo, au siame,
Ke siame rra au siame.
a re simole.
Maybe you're a teacher, maybe you're in school. 20-minute Tswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say yeta!
Alright, so Mpo, in today's lesson we're going to start talking about the likes and dislikes. And the first thing I want you to teach me is I like. How would you say that?
You will be saying ke rata.
Okay, that's easy. Ke rata. From the verb go rata.
Yes, perfect.
Okay, great. That obviously means to like. Does it also mean to love?
Yes, to love also.
Okay.
Ke rata dijo,
Ke rata
meaning
dijo, yeah?
I love food.
Ah,
And
okay.
then you use rata again. Ke rata mosadi wa me. I love my wife.
Ah, okay.
Rata, yes.
Ke rata mosadi wame. Yes, wame mine.
Yes.
All right. How would I say I love you, by the way?
Ke a go rata.
Ke a go rata.
Great.
The go would be you.
Yes.
Ke a go rata. I'm going to tell my wife that tonight when she gets home.
Great stuff.
Okay, so let's start with nouns. I like music, for instance. How would I say that?
Ke rata mino.
Mino.
Yes.
Double M there.
Double M there.
I heard that. Ke rata mino.
Yes.
All right. I see you wrote something extra down here. Mino setso. What's setso?
Setso, it's culture.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So like cultural music.
Cultural music. Mino wa setso. Music of culture.
Oh, music of culture.
Yes.
All right. Okay. And how would I say I like school?
Ke rata sekolo.
Sekolo.
Yes.
It seems like a borrowed word.
It seems like a borrowed word. Yes, it
Sekolo.
actually sounds like one.
Yes.
Sekolo, school.
Oh, that's right. The Afrikaans word for
Yes.
school. Sekolo.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. How would you say you like school?
O rata.
Perfect. I actually knew that.
Yes.
Just wanted to make sure. And she likes would also be orata.
O, yes.
All right. Now let's say he likes people.
O rata batho.
Bato.
Yes.
The word for people. All
Batho.
right. Orata bato.
Yes.
All right. And
Batho, moto.
a person.
Yes. A person.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Moto.
Bato and moto.
Yes.
Okay. We like re rata, I'm guessing.
Perfect.
All right. And let's say we like to play, just in general.
Re rata go tshameka.
Tsameka.
Yes.
That is the go tsameka is to play.
To play. Yes.
All right. Now we like to play re rata go
Go
tsameka.
tsameka,
Okay.
yes.
I like to play ke rata go tsameka.
Yes.
Now, obviously, just to remind the listeners, just like in English, you have to add that to the verb.
Yes.
Because you don't say we like play.
Yes.
All right. You have to say we like to play.
To play.
All
yes.
right. Now, this is an interesting question I have for you because in the Latin languages, when you play sport and when you play instrument, it's two different things. In Setswana, does it change?
No, it doesn't.
Oh, that's
Ke
great. news.
tshameka mino. I play music.
Ah, okay.
Ke tshameka bolo. I play soccer.
Bolo.
Bolo. Borrowed word.
Yes, from ball, obviously.
From ball. Yes.
Okay. So they like to play soccer would be barata
Go
hotsameka bolo.
bolo. Perfect.
That's so easy. Let's talk about some more verbs. I like to dance.
Yes.
How would I say that?
Ke rata go tansa.
Danza.
That's a borrowed word. But when we
Yes.
look at Setswana again, Botswana speaking people will be saying ke rata go bina.
Okay. And let's say I want to say I like to dance a lot. How would I say that?
Ke rata go tansa thata.
Okay, so it also, I heard you say tata. I'm taking it, tata is the word for a lot.
Yes, perfect.
And that came at the end of the sentence, just like in English.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Kerata, I like. Hotansa, to dance.
To dance.
Tata, a lot.
A lot.
Okay. Is tata always the word for a lot, like a lot of food.
Yes.
Or, okay.
Batho ba ne ba le bantsi thata. There were a lot of people.
Ah. Okay.
We had a lot of food, or I ate a lot of food. Ke jele dijo tse dintsi thata.
That's great news. If I were to say I like to sing and to dance, how would I say that?
Ke rata go opela le go tantsha.
Okay. I remember from a previous lesson the le was and.
Yes.
Okay. Ke rata go opela, le
Go
go
tantsha.
dansa, and to dance.
And to dance.
That's easy. Okay. I like dancing with my friends.
Ke rata go tantsha le, remember with,
Yes.
le ditsala tsa me.
Okay. So now I just need to make sure about one or two things. I got ke rata, I like. Okay. Go dansa, to dance.
Yes.
Now, you just said le was and, but in this context, it's with.
With.
Okay, now that's something we have to get used to. Okay, so I like to dance with ditsala. What is ditsala?
Friends.
Friends.
Yes.
And plural.
In plural. In singular, tsala.
Just tsala.
Yes.
So my friend would be tsala
Yame.
yame.
Yes.
Okay, all right. But ditsala, friends.
Ditsala tsa me.
I like to dance with my friends. Ke rata go dansa le ditsala tsa me.
Perfect.
I'm sounding like a Tswana speaker.
Yes.
I like to learn Setswana.
Ke rata go ithuta
Okay.
Setswana.
So ke rata, I like to learn ituta, but you have to add that ho because it's to learn. So it's ho
Setswana.
ituta Setswana.
Yes.
Now I'd like to ask a question. I've already told people I like this. Now I want to ask you, what do you like? How would I say that?
O rata eng?
Okay, so or would be you. or
Yes.
Rata, like. And the ing, I'm guessing, is the question
It's a
word.
question word.
Okay. Would that be what?
You love what? Yes.
Okay. You love or like what?
What?
Or rata eng. Okay. Now, if I were to say, do you like music or sport? How would I say that?
A o rata mmino kgotsa motshameko?
Oh, okay. Hold on. let's take it apart bit by bit. So, obviously, it's a question. Do you like music or sport?
Yeah.
Okay.
The do you? A o.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
It's the same as a o siame.
Yes.
The a makes it a question.
Yes.
Right. So you are ready, o siame. Are you ready? A o siame. Okay. So I would say you like is orata, but do you like a orata?
Perfect.
Okay. Now the mino is the word for music. I remember.
Yes.
Okay. And the what did you say? The or.
The o is kgotsa.
Okay, it's a big word to replace a small word in English.
Yes.
So kgotsa
Yes.
or
Kgotsa.
kgotsa.
Yes.
And then that last word, it was a big word for sport. What was that?
Motshameko.
Motshameko.
Yes.
All right, motshameko. Now it sounds familiar because what was the verb for to play again?
Go tshameka.
Okay, so there's obviously a link there. To play
Tsameka.
to play sport would be motsameko.
100%.
Right. I'm going to practice to say that very, very fast. Okay, so do you like music or sport? A orata mino kgotsa motsameko.
Perfect.
All right, great. Now, let's get back to a few verbs again. I like to sleep. How would I say that?
Ke rata go robala. If you say ke rata go robala, boroko.
Boroko. What is boroko?
Boroko, it's sleep.
Oh, okay.
But now in Setswana, that sounds so nice because
Yes.
you say ke rata go robala boroko.
Okay.
And when you take that sentence into English, you'll be saying, I love to sleep, or to be in deep sleep.
That's interesting. Okay. It's very good to say I like something, but what if I don't like something?
Ga ke rate
Aha. Easy enough. Ga ke rate whatever.
Yes.
All right, and you just build the sentence from there.
Yes.
So, I don't like music. Ga ke rate mmino.
Perfect.
Okay. That's obviously very common to say I don't like something, but what if I hate something? What would that be?
Ke tloa.
Ke tloa.
Yes.
Okay.
I hate
The
Now.
What is the verb? Go tloa?
go tloa.
All right. Now, something in South Africa we hate are snakes. I have some friends that love snakes, but I hate snakes. How would I say I hate snakes?
Ke tloa dinoga.
Ke tloa dinoga.
Yes.
Hold on. So the di makes it plural. So just one snake would be noga.
Perfect.
Okay. Di
Perfect.
noga. And I hate to gossip, for instance.
Ke tloa go seba.
All right. Seba. So go seba is the verb for to gossip.
Go seba.
Go seba.
Yes.
Okay.
Is to gossip. Let me show you something there.
All right.
Seba. From a word sebelela.
Sebelela.
Yes. Sebelela. That's whispering into somebody's ear.
Okay.
Yes, whisper. Sebelela. I would like to whisper this. Ke rata go go sebelela se.
Yes.
So gossip
It's a
or
form.
seba.
Yes,
Yes.
I get that.
Comes
That's
from sebelela.
come from sebelela.
Yes.
Obviously, I think all languages will have their own verb for gossiping because that's an ancient art form.
Yes.
I don't think that word will be borrowed at all. Okay, so that's interesting to know. Go sebelela is to
Yes.
whisper,
Yes.
and to gossip is go seba.
Yes.
I think we should stop the lesson there today. We have a lot of vocabulary. We've learned some new verbs, and we've obviously learned how to build new sentences. Don't forget to go to the website 20minutesetswana.co.za. We'll see you next week. Gofitlela nako.
E itlang.
20 minutes Tswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go.